Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will do some JavaScript actions like the basic things like how to do button action and all those things you will see in this video. It's a basic start for the JavaScript. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. It is my Visual Studio Code. It is my Visual Studio Code, and here you can click on this new file, and create a file name called new or action.html. So we won't have HTML to run the programs. So let's type HTML5. You can see here, right? You can see the it's coming on the pop-up, right? You can click on HTML:5, then you can get the basic structure of the HTML. And in this, you can write something p tag. So we will p tag called paragraph tag. So you can write anything in this. So I will write, are you a creator? So for this, I will give ID. For this, I will give ID. So ID is equal to ID is equal to ID is equal to answer. ID is equal to answer. So are you a creator? It is a question and this is the answer. So where I can write the answer? In the button tag. In the button tag. So here, so here, here I will write type is equal to button, and I will write on click is equal to document dot get element by ID, and here you will get the answer, get element by ID dot inner HTML is equal to is equal to is equal to so is equal to I am no I am Iron Man. I am Iron Man. So what I have written, so I have I'm asked the question, are you a creator? Then this ID answer will give. How? When you click on this button, it will give the answer. No, I am Iron Man. No, I am Iron Man. So let's run this program. So click on this, or you can click on this, run, start debugging. You can click F5 also. So you get web app Chrome and Edge. You can use Chrome. So the Chrome will be open. So you can see, right? Are you creator? And this is the small button you can see here. When you click on this, you'll get the answer. No, I am Iron Man. So this is the basic JavaScript action we can do using button. So we can do it in two different ways. In the on click, we can use double quotes as front, or you can use single quotes. If you use double quotes, you have to use single quotes in the center. If you use single quotes at the starting, and you have to use double quotes. You have to use double quotes every time. In the inside, here also double quotes. Here also double quotes. See, the error gone, and you can click on F5 and click on this. Now I am Iron Man. So we got the output. So this is how we can do some actions by using JavaScript. So in this, I have used onClick method, JavaScript method to get the output. So this is the basic action we can do using JavaScript in the HTML document. So that's it, friends. It's a simple class, a basic understanding of onClick method in JavaScript. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos on the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.